Hey Matt, what should our unique selling point be? What about that we're a cross between Rage Against the Machine and Queen? Could focus on the operatic vocals? How about the arpeggiated synthesizers? Maybe the amazing guitar work? About the drummer looks like Fry from Futurama? I do not. Do that again? What? That thing where you breathe?
Shut up and take my money!
It's time to roam the distance to your home.